The Magic of Materials and Technologies Project, Spring 2019, Professor Deepak Sanju, Steam Turbine Blades for Energy and Energy Storage. Steam turbines are powered by hot steam. The blades are the most important part of the turbine. Their design is crucial in capturing as much energy from the steam as possible and converting it into rotational energy by spinning the rotor around. All turbines have a set of rotating blades attached to the rotor and spin it around as the steam hits them. These are made of stainless steel that can maintain high levels of temperature and pressure. Steam turbines can be used as condensing turbines or non-condensing turbines. Condensing turbines are often found on large rivers and cool the steam down in giant cooling tanks. Non-condensing turbines don't cool the steam as much and actually use the heat in a non-cogeneration system. The history of the steam turbine includes many notable inventions. In the 1st century, the aeolipile was created by Heroin of Alexandria. This was the first known device to transform steam into rotary motion. It wasn't until the 16th century where more practical versions of the steam turbine were created. Finally, in 1884, the first modern steam turbine was created by Sir Charles Parson, which is used as the basis of the modern steam turbine, which extracts external energy from pressurized steam and uses it to do mechanical work.
High-temperature stainless steel is very strong and is resistant to oxidation and corrosion at high temperatures. Here we see two scanning electron microscope images of high-temperature stainless steel from the Dartmouth College Electron Microscope facility. High-temperature stainless steel is an iron-based alloy that has a chromium content of at least 10.5 by mass percent and a carbon content 1.2 by mass percent or less. Other common elements included in high-temperature stainless steel include nickel, manganese, titanium, and sulfur. The combinations of elements and mass percent of each element in stainless steel is constantly being changed to create specific, desirable characteristics based on the function of the object. Such characteristics include strength levels, oxidation resistance, and formability. Currently, researchers are investigating the composition of Lob's phase precipitates and aluminum in high-temperature stainless steel to try and combat oxidation in power generation plants. Some everyday objects that contain iron are jewelry, medical equipment such as scalpels and tweezers, electricity pylons, rifle barrels, and bike chains, which can all be seen here. Other common household examples include pots, pans, and skillets, as well as construction nails, refrigerators, washing machines, and utensils. Iron can even be found in breakfast cereals.
Iron corrodes very easily, so determining its history is a challenge. It is seen to have been originally used in ancient times, such as the Iron Age, where it was used to make artifacts, weapons, and art. It replaced bronze in 1300 BC. The majority of iron resides at the Earth's core, but the first traces of iron are thought to have come about from meteorites, which contain about 90% iron. There are many ways to manufacture iron, such as production in the lab setting, industrial production, blast furnace processing, steel making, direct iron reduction, and thermite processes.
There are many applications of iron in society. In fact, iron is the most important of all metals as it is used to craft different types of steel. Steel is found in objects that are very small, such as a paperclip, to large landmarks, such as a skyscraper. Iron exhibits ferromagnetism due to its molecular structure. This unique property is utilized in electric motors, generators, transformers, and much more. Iron is crucial for the survival of many living organisms. In humans, iron is essential for our vascular system. Specifically, iron is a component of hemoglobin to help transport oxygen in our blood. Iron also helps plants move oxygen through their system and is important for the production of chlorophyll. Plants with an iron deficiency show a sickly yellow color to their leaves. Plants only need a tiny amount of iron to be healthy, but that amount is crucial. The American iron and steel industry is a dynamic part of the U.S. economy. It supports nearly 2 million jobs and contributes more than $500 billion to the economy. The manufacturing process accounts for nearly 80,000 jobs. Overall, nearly 400,000 jobs are directly linked to the American iron and steel industry.
Some unique characteristics of iron are that it is essential for human brain development. Another interesting fact is that it is the fourth most common element in Earth's crust.